welcome back. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you all of our Hostess exclusive items that we have for our hostesses this fall and winter catalog season with 31. So welcome, my name's Andrea Carver. If you are new here, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel if you're watching on YouTube. That way you'll get a notification on your phone when I post a new video. So thankful you're here. So let's chat about hosting a party with 31. So we all know that we have a very generous Hostess Rewards program. And we love to be able to reward our hostesses with free products, half price items, and the Hostess exclusives that I'm going to show you today. Exclusives mean that only our hostesses are able to get these items, which make them very fun, and they're pretty awesome as well. So our hostesses start earning rewards at the $200 party level, which is about maybe four to five orders. And at each $100 level, they earn a little bit more and a little bit more. The minimum goal for my hostesses is always going to be that $500 party mark, because at the $500 party, she earns 100 in free credits, 3 half price items, and 2 of our discounted Hostess exclusives. And each level you earn a little bit more, and that ultimate goal is always going to be that $1,000 party where you earn a $300 free shopping spree, 5 half price items, and of course 2 of the Hostess exclusives that you can choose from at a deeply discounted price. Okay, so I'm going to show you my favorite first. Okay, this is actually a bundle. It is called the Thermal Party Bundle because it comes with 3 different thermals this season. So first we've got this insulated cooler tote. We have the Perfect Party set. You guys have known to love this one, and the expandable cooler. So all 3 of these items will come in this bundle for $69. I have to look here. The value of this bundle is $187. So you can choose to keep all 3 for yourself, or you can give them as gifts. You could have 3 separate gifts. I personally would want all these myself, but if you are in the market and holiday shopping, this could be so great for you. So this is that insulated cooler tote. Isn't this print absolutely gorgeous? It's called Layered Foliage. I think it's beautiful. So this is a very large thermal tote here. So it comes with a long strap that is adjustable. So of course you could wear this as a crossbody. Of course, cinch it up, but just kind of for size comparison, it's very large if you can see it compared to me on my body. And so it can hold probably, I would say, about 4 2-liters as far as, length, width across. But you do have the little short handles here that can be snapped together if you want to carry it like this. But like I said, it does have that adjustable strap here. You do have a pocket on the front here. I did that color block monogram on here, and I did that in the fawn thread color and black there. This does have a zipper closure on the top. And it does have our do not eat packet, our leak lock lining, which means you can put ice directly in here and it won't leak out. So this is part of that bundle. Also, we have the Perfect Party set here. You guys know this. It is that collapsible casserole dish carrier. So you can have 2 different casseroles in here, or if you just want one, you can zip up that top layer and it will fold down there. So that's where you would zip it up there. Both are thermal lined, so it'll keep cold things cold and warm things warm. And then I did the personalization serving up love, 1 dish at a time, and so I did that in the fawn. I kind of wanted it to match here, but this is just a solid black, and then it has like the black and white stripes here. So you could do really any color on here, but I kind of wanted it to coordinate, so that's why I chose the fawn color there. This does have a zipper, little zipper compartment right here if you wanted to store like utensils or napkins and things like that when you are serving. So that is the Perfect Party set. And then we have the expandable round cooler. So this is also going to come in that layered foliage. This is expandable as well. So if you wanted to use both sections, you can. If you want to just use the one on the bottom, you can zip up this layer right here and it will collapse down. You do have a pocket right here, so you can store things. And then I did on here, holiday calories don't count. And I did that in the metallic gold thread color. It kind of shimmers a little bit here. You do have the handles where you can gather up the handle and snap it together and carry it. Very very nicely. And then I think last year, I'll have to look at my video, I have a towel in here, I fit 17 12-ounce cans in here. So this is very large. Of course, both layers are thermal lined there. So this can hold like bowls, it can hold pies, it can hold so many things. So that is the last part of that that thermal party trio there. Okay, next up, oh, and our hostesses can get, I don't know if I said that, but our hostesses can get that bundle for $69, making each thermal $23, which is a steal for sure. Okay, next up we have the rolling storage, or it's just called the rolling storage here. So I have mine in the charcoal, but it also comes in the bright blooms print here. This does have a trolley on the back with the wheels, so you can use this for so many things really. Like teachers could use this. I really love it. But it's also great for crafters and scrapbookers. It's got handles right here on the side so you can grab it up. You do have a mesh pocket there on this side. On the opposite side, you do have a Velcro pocket here. So this is just one big pocket there. And then you have a pocket here and a pocket here. And then I wasn't quite sure what I would use this for. And so I thought this would be great to take, you know, things to our camper. And so I put on here, I go where I'm towed. And I did that in the taupe thread color, which is a new thread color, and black there. Okay. And then you do have a little Velcro here for the lid, okay? And then you open it up, and this front panel actually unsnaps. The front panel unsnaps. And so this section right here is a little mesh pocket there. And then down here, you do have a place where you can store things as well. So you've got a pocket. You've got a pocket right here, a pocket here, some little pen pockets. And this does give you the ability to kind of cover that right there. And then you do have a pocket right here. This whole front section is pocket. It's kind of odd, kind of hard to show y'all. And then the interior is just one big open compartment here. So the fold-in file would actually fit very nicely in there if you needed this to kind of be like a mobile office for you. So that is the rolling storage. And let's see, the price on that is $99 and it is valued at $250, okay? All right, next up is another new one that we have. This is called the Collapsible Organizer. This is in that bright blooms print here. So when it is collapsed, you've got the handle here. You can see that it folds up pretty small. And then you do have the little straps that keep it buckled, that keep it, you know, collapsed here. So I am actually going to unsnap it, and you will see that it will open up. So you've still got the handles here on the sides, but you also have the handles here in the middle, and it is a kind of a compartmentalized, if you will, organizer there, okay? And then on the side, try to hold it up so you guys can see, on the side, you have a little Velcro pocket here, and then also on this side is where you saw that personalization. So this whole front panel here is a zipper pocket there. Oh, and I earned this for free. So you can store things in here. I did Bloom Through the Chaos in that glacier blue thread color there. Now, one thing I was like, I'm not sure that I really like this because it's a little too collapsible for me, but our soft cooler insert was made for our large utility tote, you know, that it just kind of goes inside there and snaps through the grommets here. Well, the same thing can be for this collapsible organizer. The soft cooler insert fits perfectly in either any of, I think maybe mostly just the middle one. You could probably fit it, squeeze it into the other two, but it fits perfectly down on the inside of here. And you can feed it through so you got little straps here, and you can feed it through the grommets on the front part of this. Sorry. On the front part of here, and that's how it can snap in. Now you do have the mesh pockets on the front. You guys can see that, and same on the back. So that is the collapsible organizer. It'd be great for, you know, for the trunk of your car if you wanted to store your groceries in there. It's great for kids' toys to keep organized. So definitely think about things like that. So this is $29 for our hostesses, and it's valued at $65, okay? And then we also do have the mystery bundle that you can get it for $29. I think it's valued at $77 plus. So whatever you get in that mystery bundle, just know that it'll be at least $77 worth of product for $29. And then last but definitely not least, this is one that you did see last season. This is the Travel Garment Duffle. So I am going to link below or link at the end of this video the detailed video that I did on this last season. But this comes in this hibiscus pink, which is our signature 31 color, and it also comes in black. So this actually unzips. So the sides unzip on both sides, it unzips on the top, and it opens up into a garment bag, and you can store things in the middle. So this is pretty amazing. And then you still have our trolley sleeve on the back, so you can slide it over your rolling luggage or even that rolling storage there. So it's definitely worth hosting a party this catalog season to get one or two of these in your hands. And I love that you have the ability to give them as gifts as well, and you've got them at a huge discount. And one fun thing about our Hostess exclusives is you get to personalize them for free. So I try to personalize everything, but just because it makes it so fun. But I love that you in this, the first bundle that I showed you, that thermal bundle, you can personalize all 3 items for free, which is cool. So let me know which one of these Hostess exclusives has your name on it. Which one do you want to host a party to get your hands on? I'd love to know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll do my best to link everything below. And if you're interested in the 31 business opportunity this season, I'd love to chat with you and answer any questions that you have about joining as a consultant. If you're interested in hosting and getting your hands on this products, definitely comment below or send me an email or message me on Facebook, and I can get you on my calendar, set up a shopping link, and you can share that shopping link with your friends and your family. They shop and you earn. You can even shop on your own link and earn Hostess rewards on your own order. And then, of course, if you're interested in shopping with me, I'd love to be your consultant if you are in the United States and don't have a consultant of your own. Again, thank you so much.